BMW electronic steering rack and how to get inside the model. I try how to get inside, and this one was broken. The one of plastic shield sides was broke, and I tried to open around, and if you try to open around, you can see you damaged the wires around the electronics ham, and this is not a good way to open it. But the second way who I try is cutting around this groove. You see this small groove around, and if you cut with some small, I try with large thing because I know it was broken, and you can see I cut too much in here and in this side also, and if you cut around, it's easy came off, and you can see what is inside. And the problem is that this white thing around here, maybe you see like aluminium part, water and salt get inside from this area, and the control module start working not very well, no communication to conline, and maybe you can repair it if you open it and look what was damaged inside.